What's up, y'all? QFC here, and I'm back with another fin. This is a new fin. I picked it up today with my dad. This is a Bahama fin. It's a spinner. I've never seen a spinner Bahama fin before. It's new in box. It's from March of 1989. I'm gonna demonstrate the light kit. All right, let's start it on low. The pull chain is a little bit rough, but it's all right. This is 42 inches. That's a 170 millimeter motor. I measured it. It does make a little humming sound because it's like common for spinners like this. All right, let's move on to medium. And I'm actually feeling the air on my foot. I actually really like the way this looks. It's pretty. Shake the light. It's wobbling a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but let's go to high speed. Yeah, I can feel the airflow. I mean, it's a decent fan. It's not all that, but you know, I really like the way it looks. I think it's just because of the low capacitor rating, but it does blow a decent amount of air and has a really nice look to it, so I like it a lot. It's pretty fast. It actually does blow a good amount of air though. It's just plain white on the other side of the blades. It's stencil right here. So let's shut it off. And do spin down for once. Never mind, it's taking too long. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.